Hello, nature lovers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to one of the most stunning waterfalls in the world, Niagara Falls, Canada. This natural wonder is a combination of the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the iconic Horseshoe Falls, located on the border between Canada and the United States. Niagara Falls is a must-see for anyone visiting North America. It's a marvel of Mother Nature's creation, and always a breathtaking sight to behold. From rainbows to whitewater rapids, this magnificent waterfall offers something for everyone. So, pack your bags and join us on our virtual journey to Niagara Falls. Remember to stay safe and maintain social distancing guidelines if you choose to visit in person. And if you can't make it, don't worry, our videos will bring you up close and personal with this natural wonder. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, stay safe and explore the world responsibly.
তুলতে থাকো, ব্যবসা উঠে আমি বলতে তুলতে থাকো। আসো, সবাই সামনে যেতেছে। যদিও আমার কালার আর এই কালার মিলিয়ে মানে আমাদের কালার রেড হয়ে গেছে।
Everything here is so wet, but it's not raining. Like because when the water falls, there's like a mist, and when that happens, it goes up like a cloud. So it makes everything under it wet. This waterfall is like so beautiful, like especially at night time when they put different colors of light, and here the main where the water falls down. It's really very nice view for nature lovers. Like we didn't even want to go home that night, but we had to go home because tomorrow we will have to go to Toronto, and so we have to sleep early. So but after all, this is an endless water cycle. These waterfalls never stops. Like it's like continuing infinite water. So guys, this is it, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.